Hello everyone, in this video we'll compare Fyxer AI and Superhuman. When comparing Fyxer AI and Superhuman, both aim to make your email experience faster and more efficient, but they focus on different things. Fyxer AI is like having a personal assistant powered by AI. It helps you handle schedules, emails, and task management all in one place. It's built to understand natural language, so you can tell it things like schedule a meeting with Sarah next week, or reply to John and reschedule, and it'll do it for you. Fyxer is great if you want to offload daily repetitive tasks, not just emails. Superhuman, on the other hand, is all about speed and precision in email. It gives you fast, keyboard-driven interface with features like split inbox, reminders, snoozing, undo send, and AI-empowered summaries and responses. It's best for professionals who deal with tons of emails and want to power through them quickly, but it's still very email-centric. So if you want a wider assistant that does more than email, Fyxer AI is the better choice. But if your goal is conquering your inbox at lightning speed, the Superhuman wins. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.